The new Balance Abzorb 2000 light chrome blue blends tradition with innovation, reflecting the brand's heritage while exploring modern aesthetics. Launching September 3 for $170, this fresh edition carries signature design codes, off-white midsoles, grey-infused absorb pods, and silver accents, while bold light chrome blue details push the silhouette into contemporary territory. Balancing nostalgia and futuristic flair, the sneaker reimagines familiar New Balance DNA without abandoning its roots. Though the Abzorb 2000 is still new, this release acts as a defining moment, testing whether it can gain traction in sneaker culture and stand among the brand's iconic staples. With its thoughtful mix of retro inspiration and progressive updates, the light chrome blue captures both seasoned fans and new audiences, securing its role as a vital piece in New Balance's evolving lineup.